Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, method, perfect for a quick and easy installation. With just a few button presses, you can expand your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones in minutes. No complex setup or configuration is needed, just press the WPS button on your router and extender, and you're connected. Watch till the end to ensure you get the best placement for optimal signal strength. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender box, you'll find the extender, which is compact and plugs directly into a wall outlet. There's also a quick installation guide that provides easy steps to set it up, and sometimes a warranty card for support information. Everything is packed simply, so you can start setting up right away without any extra parts. So let's start the setup process. First of all, find an outlet close to your router. Plug in the DAP-1325 and wait for the power LED to turn solid green, indicating it's ready. Look for a button labeled WPS on your extender. This button is commonly located on the back or top side of the extender, marked with a small Wi-Fi icon or the letters WPS. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for a few seconds until you see the WPS light start to blink. This indicates that the router is in pairing mode and ready to connect with devices. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on the router, press and hold the WPS button on the DAP-1325 extender for about 2 seconds. The LED on the extender should start blinking, showing it's in WPS pairing mode. After a few seconds, the extender's LED should turn solid green, meaning the connection was successful. This confirms that your extender is now paired with your router, expanding the Wi-Fi network. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot where you need better Wi-Fi coverage but still within range of your router's signal. This completes the WPS setup for your D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender, helping you boost Wi-Fi coverage seamlessly. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.